Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn about the butterfly locks, and it's a very highly requested video, so we're just going to get right into this video. So to begin, I'm going to start by doing the small 3 strands using her natural hair. So that is the first step and very important before now we go ahead and add the hairpiece. All right. And remember, if you've watched some of my previous videos, I've been using the 3-strand inside method when it comes to doing these small squares, and you can see a closer look on how I do it. All right. And if you haven't learned about the inside 3 strands, all right, it's best if you do, because I'd highly recommend this one when it comes to do most of these locks. One reason is because, and I keep saying it, you know, when you put it like that, going inside, so the hair grows going inside, and it's very hard for it to pop out. So learn how to do the 3-strand method going inside. So watch carefully how I do it. You separate the hair into 3, then the middle part starts going inside, and then the rest follows the rest of the left or the right side, whichever you wish for it to follow. All right. So you keep doing until the whole head is all set and ready for the butterfly locks. So here my head is fully done, so now I can go ahead and do my locks. And if you're using a few packs, remember to count them. So the hair that I'm using today is called Guess Girl, and I'm using 3 packs of it. And of course you can use other types of hair, depends on what you like. So here is how far I've got, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how I do it. So first I crochet one piece of hair. I crochet it and make sure that it's all like both sides are same before now I crochet the other piece, as you can see in the video. So the inside piece, you have to make sure they are on the same level, and then the upper piece, one side is much longer than the other one, so one side is small. All right. And then you start doing you just start rounding. You just round the upper hair step by step. And the reason why I'm crocheting these 2 pieces, one is because according to the size that the person wants, I don't want to be in a situation where I get in the middle, one piece is already over, and then I have to add. So this one saves you time also. It saves you the stress of having to add another hair piece. So if you can go with this one, that's fine for you. But also you can do like crochet it once, the whole hair, like and then you get the size that the person wants, and then now when you reach in the middle, you have to add a hair piece. I hope you understand what I mean. So when you're doing the butterfly locks, remember your thumb finger plays a very big role in this, and I'll explain it on the next part properly. How is it done and what you have to consider, okay? And then we're going to see how we lock it at the end. Always remember what I've said. Try to crochet both of the hairs so that we don't get a situation where the person comes back and says that, oh, it's a little bit coming off. So we just I've seen videos before whereby people are not crocheting the outside hair piece, and you get problems with that. When it comes to, let's say the hair stayed for a while, it's going to like start coming off very quickly. And you remember, these things can give you service for about even 3 months. So that is why it's very important you have to crochet all the hair pieces. So you see in this clip, I've already crocheted the inside hair piece, and then now I'm doing the outside one. And always remember, the inside piece is to guide you on the length of the locks that the client want. And now, if let's say I was doing very long ones, then I'll have to keep on adding the outside piece. But here, since she wanted the medium size, so I had to make sure the inside one is the level that she wanted. And then now the outside one, yeah, I made one side short, very short, and the other one long. And then that is how I was able to not add any hairpiece while going through. So look at this video closely. So when you're doing the rounds, the thumb, when you reach somewhere and you want to do the outside hair, like you see, you separate the hair into two with the thumb. Don't put the whole hair on the thumb. Separate the hair into two with the thumb, and then after you round it off, you secure on the top part, and then now you keep on rounding off to the bottom part, and that is how you keep on going and repeating the same process. I hope you've understood, and if you have any question, please just write them down in the comment section, and I'll get to answer all of your inquiries. Okay, I hope this video has helped you. And now we are going to see how we lock it at the end, which is very also important. And remember, I'm repeating, when you've done the hairpiece with the thumb, please remember to lock it on the upper side. See, then lock it on the upper side. Then now that's when you continue with your rounds and everything. Do not forget that part, because if you don't lock it from the upside, what's going to happen is that they're not going to form that beautiful butterfly locks design. All right, so try to make sure you lock it on the upper side, and I hope this one helps. And try to keep everything neat, and don't tighten it so very much. Don't tighten it so very much. So now we are going to see how we lock it at the end. So once you reach where, yeah, the size is, and sometimes this hair tends to be so cramped up together, so because it's very rough, so it tends to do that. So just make sure everything is smooth at the end before now you start locking. So to lock, I folded it at the end up to where I wanted the length to be. So the next thing that you do, you come back up a little bit, just a few steps, then you go back down and then up again like 3 times, so that we make sure the end is properly done. Remember, you lock it, you fold it, you come up, just doing the rounding thing. You come up, then you come down, and then now you smoothen it out with your hands, with your palms. Rub it in between your palms, and that is how it will lock very nicely. So here is the final look. See how beautiful it came out, and I love the colors. So here I've mixed color 127, 2 packs of color 127, and 1 pack of black, because she didn't want them to be so very bright. So that is what I did here. All right, see how everything came out neatly, and the partings also from inside, they are very neat, as you can see. So that's it from me today, guys. If you have any questions, any inquiries, just write them down in the comment section down below. And remember to like this video, share, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.